Hello?
We have your son here with us. And we need 50,000 dirham or we kill him.
Okay, no problem. Habibi, I have 10 children. One die, no problem. I make new one.
We are not joking, we are very serious.
Habibi, Zubair useless. Mom in the fighter. Only eat, sleep. I no need Zubair. Keep him with you.
I don't know what this man is saying. Talk to him, bro.
زبير حرامية هالزمن ما يعرفون يخوفون بعد والله. شو في يا ابو زبير؟ اختطفوا زبيرة وين؟ شو؟ They have my son? Give the phone to me. I speak with them. Hello? Zubair with you?
Yes. Give us 50,000 dirhams.
Wee, 1 dirham I not give inshallah. First you give 1 slab to Zubair. Please.
Why?
Because his mama is telling you, that's why. Yalla, please slap him. Slap him again.
Oh yeah, sorry. Your mother said I should slap you. Huh?
Now give the phone to Zubair. Hello mama, help me. Yo, Ibn al-Himar, I tell you to throw the garbage outside. Why you not throw? Nish! Mama, I forgot. طيب, okay, good. Okay. I also forget you, my son. Yalla. Mama, these people kidnapped me. How you become kidnapped without my permission? كيف? Come home and براويك. Mama, sorry, mama.
Give us 50,000 or we kill your son.
Jab. 50,000 awana. I will give you 50 zanuba on your face if you do not shut up. Keep Zubair with you. I also not want.
Huh? Oh my God. Brother, please go home. We don't want 50,000 anymore. Open for him, let him go.
No, please, I did not throw the garbage outside. My mother will kill me. Please keep me with you.
No.
Please keep me with you.